Planning your next international trip, here's how to open a Neo Global account in just a few steps. First, download the Neo Global app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Register with your mobile number and email, then verify both using the OTP sent to your device. Next, complete your KYC by providing your PAN and Aadhaar numbers. Authenticate your Aadhaar via OTP, enter your password details, and capture live selfie. Fill in your personal information, select your communication address, and add a nominee. Accept the terms and conditions to finalize your account setup. Once registered, you will receive a virtual Visa signature debit card for immediate online transaction. Want a physical card? Load 5,000 rupees into your Neo Global Savings account and place an order through the app. Your card will arrive within 5 to 7 business days. Enjoy zero forex markup, global usage in over 150 countries, and 24/7 customer support.